Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Post multiple haul videos, all different stores, all different deals, sales, viral stuff, all that. So if you like shopping, vlogging, all that, definitely hit that subscribe button on there because you don't want to miss my videos. Today's video is a Dollar Tree haul. This is from one store and it's one of my favorite stores I go to. So yes, also my hair is semi-straight for my birthday. Kind of half curled, half unstraight. But anyway, yeah. So definitely subscribe, grab a snack, grab a drink. Let's dive into the video. Dollar Tree haul, one store. Let's go. So, got some of these hand sanitizers I'm making my gift baskets. This is the blue Hot Wheels, pink Barbie, green Crayola. I love the Crayola ones. They're so cute. So, you know, basic. Then just needed some Tylenol and 6 tablets for $1.25. Travel size is a great deal, so I always pick these up from DT. Then this, I've never seen this on TikTok, social media, nothing. It is a freaking wine glass to go. Compact convenience for anywhere you want to sip. Like, you're actually kidding. Look at that. Okay, literally just twist on and off, and then boom, your to-go wine glass. Then we got the build your own ice pack, which I'm super stoked for. So TheraPearl snap packs together to fit your any body part. Contains 6 hot and cold packs with snaps. So this is phenomenal for $1.25. So definitely snag that up if you guys see it. Then we got 2 new books. So we got this one, My Policeman, now an original movie on Prime, which you guys know I love to read and then watch a movie. So we have this one, My Policeman. It's a fiction. Then our next book is The Secret History of Food. Strange but true stories about the origins of everything we eat. This retailed for $28. In a even surprising and entirely entertaining look at the little-known history surrounding the whole foods we eat. So, pretty good book finds. Okay, and then the final part is all like beauty, skincare, hair, all that. We got TG Heat Protectant Spray, and TG is a name brand, hair brand. So you get 2.54 fluid ounces of heat protectant spray. Still a phenomenal deal. Then, by this Anomaly brand, it is Bonding Treatment Mask. We had the leave-in conditioner, now we have this Bonding Treatment Mask. So, transform damaged hair to look healthier and shinier all in one step. So, great find. Then, I'm psyched. I've seen these all over TikTok. I'm so psyched. So, this is the Kristen S. Hair Colored Depositing Conditioner. So, we got Coral Rose. Let's see what it actually looks like. Okay, so definitely get a lot in this little thing. So it's like colored conditioner, which I think is super fun. So this is in Coral Rose. So we have that shade, or color, whatever you want to call it. Then we have this one, and this is Terracotta. So we have Terracotta. And then the last one I found is Dark Mauve. So this is actually super exciting for $1.25, like permanent or semi-permanent hair dye conditioner. So I'm definitely going to try one next time when I do my hair routine next, and see if it works or if it doesn't. I saw a TikTok of a girl doing it and it worked, so we'll see. So next up, I have a full bag of beauty, so let's go. Okay, I also did forget I got the Margaritaville Caribbean Fruit Punch Drink Mix. I forgot. I love these, and they're 0 sugar, so fantastic. Then I did get one of these like ramen noodle notebooks. I think these are so freaking cute. So got her. Then did get these Summer Eves wipes. My girls, you already know these are fantastic, especially for summer. Got those. Then we do have 2 hair funds. Got got some more of these hair ties scrunchies. I'm obsessed with these, and they were $2.98 at Walmart, $1.25 Dollar Tree. So you get 3. You get this like leopard one, black, and like this mauve. So you get that one. And then this pack is true cheetah, gold, and black. So $1.25 for these. Run. Get them, literally. Then got some of these Hanes socks, and they're men's 2-pair Cruise, cool and breathable, soft and stretchy. So they stretch. And the fact that you get 2 pairs for $1.25 is a fantastic grab. So got those. Then I did get another soft tan bronzing stick. I wore this on my birthday weekend, and it goes on phenomenal, looks phenomenal, so I had to grab another soft tan. Fantastic. Then I did grab another one of the Clinical Spa-scriptions Lift and Firm serums, because it's going in one of my gift bags I'm doing for a family member. So got one of those. Then by the Bloom Naturals brand, we got these, and these are the makeup removing whites infused with cucumber and aloe, formulated for normal skin. So I remember I got the dry skin and the combination. Well, now these are cucumber and aloe vera, and you get 30 in here. So super great find for that. Then we got the We Well Soothing Facial Cleanser infused with vitamins A, E, and hyaluronic acid and hemp seed oil. So, and now I saw on TikTok that they came out with a moisturizer, so I hope I can find that so I can do a whole skincare routine with this brand. But yeah, so we got this facial cleanser. I am a fan. I've tried it before. Then, what I was shook most about, 2-pack of the Onks Moisturizing Heel Stick Hydrating Balm for super soft heels. 2-pack for $1.25. That's how they're selling now at my one store. So yes, please. So, and this woman found it. That's even better. So yeah, you get 2 for $1.25. And I love this stuff. This stuff really does work. Okay, this collection, I remember it, but I didn't really get anything from it. But this is the Wildcat Lip Plumper, and I'm obsessed with the name and the color. So, got her. Then, by Spa Ash, we got the Lip Plumper Gloss, but in this really pretty red, and like, look at the packaging. Like, it's a crown on top. Like, are we kidding? So, we got her. And then we got this Lip Plumper Gloss, but it's like a nude. So like a red and then a nude, which I will open and we'll see. So this is the nude, and this is like the pink. So super pretty packaging, 10 out of 10, so adorable. So I got that. Then I got my favorite Mood lip balm in the pink. I swear I got a green somewhere, because I love, yeah. Oh no, I got 2 pinks. I could have sworn I got a green. Yeah. So we got the green one and the pink one. I love these Mood lip balms. So, got the green and pink again. Then I did get another brow tattoo. I'm obsessed with this. So, and this is in Dark Bay brow tattoo. Okay, then this is new, but it's a clean color lip gloss in the color 04 Flamingo Pink. Look how adorable that is. So, clean color lip gloss. Then we have the clean color Plumper lip gloss. I'm obsessed with this color. It's like a nudie brown, adorable. So, got her. So, I'm like flying through the stuff. It's kind of repetitive. So, then just got another of the clean color lip plumper, the nude. This is a different one. This one is more pink and has a different gem on top, but this one is pink with a different gem, so that's the difference on that one. Yeah, these two are different because this one has a red top, this one has a gold top, so they are different. Then I got the eyeshadow stick in Matte Espresso because I really do like shadow sticks. They really do work for me. So we got her. Then the last thing is the Crystal lip gloss are back, and I got the purple one, Lilac Fantasy, because I'm obsessed. I loved how these went on when they first came out. So yeah, so we got that. But there are 3 different of the clean color lip glosses. So these are the 3 different ones. And the last thing I forgot to show are the Global Beauty Care clarifying toner pads. But that completes my one store Dollar Tree haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. Wasn't huge, but I feel like there was new stuff and it was a one store bargain. So yeah, so that is it. Definitely don't forget to subscribe and share the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.